formation of oxygen molecule. Again, formation of oxygen molecule, it requires two atoms. If two atoms of this oxygen share electron pairs and forms a covalent bond, it is called as a oxygen molecule. Then oxygen having atomic number 8. Oxygen having atomic number 8. Again, the structure of first oxygen atom, suppose this is first oxygen atom. Again, electronic configuration of this oxygen is, suppose in first orbit there are 2 electrons and in second orbit there are 6 electrons. That means in K shell, this is suppose K shell and this is L shell. In K orbit or K shell there are 2 electrons. Here there are 2 electrons. And in outermost orbit, how many electrons? These 6 electrons, suppose these 2 electrons, third, fourth, fifth and 6th electron. This is first atom of this oxygen. Then second atom, this is first atom, in this way second atom, this is second atom of oxygen. Again in second atom there is also, that is 2 and 6 electron, here also 2 and 6 electron. In first orbit, that is in K shell, there are 2 electrons and remaining 6 electron in L shell. Remaining 6 electron in L shell. In outermost orbit, that is in valence shell, there are 6 electrons. To complete their octet for this oxygen atom, it requires 2 electrons. For complete their octet of this first oxygen atom, it requires 2 electrons. Also, in second atom of this oxygen atom, to complete this outermost orbit or this valence shell, it also requires 2 electrons. That means both oxygen atom requires 2 electrons for complete their octet. For complete their octet, both these 2 atoms requires 2 electrons. Hence, these both 2 atoms share these 2 pairs of electrons for formation of oxygen atom. How it forms formation of this oxygen molecule? This first molecule requires 2 electrons. This second molecule also requires 2 electrons. Then this first oxygen share 2 electrons with this molecule, and this molecule, this atom share 2 electrons from this atom, and it forms a oxygen molecule. It forms oxygen molecule. How it is form oxygen molecule? Suppose this is first atom. This is first atom, and or I will show only outer orbit. Only outer orbit, that is suppose this is outermost orbit. It contains how many electron? That is 6 electron, and this is outermost orbit of second atom. This is outermost orbit of first atom, and this is outermost orbit of second atom. It contains 6 electron, this 6 electron of this outermost orbit, and it contains also 6 electron, and it share 2 electrons pair. It share 2 electrons pair. Here this 2 electrons pair get sharing in between this two electrons pair, and it forms a oxygen molecule. It forms oxygen molecule. By sharing of 2 electrons, it forms oxygen molecules. Again, this oxygen molecule, that is electron dot structure of this oxygen molecule. First of all, electron dot structure, or it is also called as electronic structure of this oxygen is as, suppose this is first oxygen molecule and this is second oxygen molecule. It share two electron pairs. Each atom share two electron pairs, and this outermost orbit, it having how many electrons? That is 6 electron. There here these two electrons here of first oxygen and these two lone pair of electron of this second oxygen, and it share these two electron pair. This structure, it is called as electron dot structure, or it is also called as electronic structure. This structure is called as electronic structure. Then bond line formula or structural formula. Structural formula of this oxygen. Structural formula of this oxygen is shown as this first oxygen, this second oxygen, and it forms here double dash. That means this one share of electron, it forms this one single bond, and second share of electron, it forms another bond. In this way it forms in between two oxygen atom, there is it having oxygen oxygen double bond. This is called as oxygen molecule. That means by covalent it forms double bond by sharing of two electron pairs of each oxygen atom. Then third, that is formation of nitrogen. Third molecule, formation of nitrogen. In first hydrogen, it forms hydrogen single bond. In second, it forms in oxygen molecule double bond. Then in nitrogen, atomic number of nitrogen is 7. The atomic number of nitrogen is 7. Again, the first molecule, first atom of this nitrogen. Again, first atom of this nitrogen in first orbit, again it having 2 electrons. Then in second orbit, how many electrons? 7 electron. It having 7 electron. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. It having 7th electron. Then in second molecule, again second molecule of this nitrogen. This is second atom, first atom of nitrogen. Then second atom of nitrogen. It also having in first orbit there are 2 electrons, here 5 electrons in second orbit. Here nitrogen, this is first orbit and this is second orbit. In first orbit it goes 2 electron, then remaining 5 electrons in second orbit. Remaining electronic configuration of this nitrogen is 2 and 5. Electronic configuration is 2 and 5. Also in this second atom, 2 electrons in first orbit and again 5 electrons in second orbit. Here 5 electrons in second orbit. Then it forms a molecule. How it forms? Nitrogen molecule. Here also electronic configuration is 2 and 5. Then for this completion of this octet, for this nitrogen atom, it requires 3 electrons. It requires 3 electrons. Also this nitrogen atom, completion of this outermost orbit, it also requires 3 electrons. That is, each atom of this nitrogen requires 3 electrons for complete their octet. It contains 5 electrons. It having 8 electrons. It will have 8 electrons to form a compound. That means it having 3 electrons. It requires 3 electrons complete their outermost orbit. This atom also requires 3 electrons for complete this octet. Hence, for completion of this octet and formation of this nitrogen molecule, this first atom share these 3 electron pairs with this second atom, and this atom also share 3 electrons with this atom. That means each atom share 3 electron pairs to another atom. Each atom share 3 electrons with another atom, and it forms nitrogen molecule. Then how it forms nitrogen molecule? Again, suppose this outermost orbit of this nitrogen, this outermost orbit. I will show only outermost orbit. Outermost orbit, this nitrogen, it having these 2 electrons. This is nucleus having 2 electrons and these 3 electrons. Again, this is second atom of nitrogen. It also having 5 electrons in outermost orbit. Then it share 3 electrons with this first atom, and this atom share 3 electrons with this another atom. In this way, this first atom complete their octet by 8 electrons. In this first atom, it having 8 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Also this nitrogen having in outermost orbit 8 electron, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. In this way, in both these the atoms share 3 electrons pair to this nitrogen, and in between this nitrogen it forms triple bond. It forms triple bond. In first example, we saw that this hydrogen having single bond, oxygen having double bond, and in this third example, it having triple bond. That means in hydrogen molecule, it share only 1 electron pair and it forms hydrogen-hydrogen single bond. In oxygen atom, it share 2 electron pairs and it forms oxygen-oxygen double bond. And in nitrogen, it share 3 electron pairs and it forms nitrogen-nitrogen triple bond. Then what is electron dot structure? This is structural formulae. This is structural formula of hydrogen. This is structural formula of oxygen. This is structural formula of nitrogen. Then what is electron dot structure or electronic structure of this nitrogen? Suppose this nitrogen, these 3 electrons which share with this nitrogen atom, and of this nitrogen, these 3 electrons which share with this nitrogen. Hence write in between these 2 nitrogen 3 electron pairs, and on this nitrogen there is a 2 electrons, these 2 electrons, remaining 2 electrons shown in this side, and there are nitrogen-nitrogen triple bond. In this way, it forms covalent bond in hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Then next point, that is hydrocarbons.